Hello to my lovely audience around the globe and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. We all know that earning money is not easy these days. Everyone in the family has to work to fulfill their needs. Do you need some DIY hacks that can help you to save more money? In this video, you will get to know everything essential if you want more money in less time. So, boys and girls, are you ready to save cash? Before starting the video, make sure you share this video with your friends and family. Let's not waste time and see the video. Number 1. Buy insurance and loans. The first thing you have to do is to buy insurance. You can purchase insurance for your education, life, valuable goods, and more. Life is short and we have no idea what emergency can happen in the future. I hope nothing happens to you or your family. But you have to prepare yourself for the worst. Also, you should create an emergency account and use it only when there are real emergencies. Also, instead of signing up for monthly loans, pay the weekly loans. Monthly subscriptions look cheap. In reality, they are hard to give. You can cancel the subscription any week you want. That is the main advantage of having weekly loan time. Number 2. Rent your home. Many people have to shift to another city because of jobs. If you are one of them, there is a chance that you can earn some side money. All you have to do is to rent your home. People who have small families can also rent their house. They live on one floor and give the other floor of the house to another family. If you have bought some apartments or rooms somewhere, you can also rent them out. Most of the students love to have a proper place instead of living in hostels. And they prefer small apartments for them. Number 3. Create a change jar. Some people have this habit that never collecting change from the big malls and supermarkets. They think that coins or minor changes of money are of no use. Well, they are wrong. It takes time when the drops of water to transform into an ocean. Similarly, small changes in coins will become 100 or 1,000 someday. Now, many of you will not know how to store the change. You do not have to buy anything for storing coins. All you need is a jar or a spare container. Take a Pringles bottle and chart paper. Make a small cut on the cap. Apply the paper sheet to the bottle using hot glue. Decorate it with some text and paper flowers. You can also use a jam jar, biscuit jar, or any other thing you want. Number 4. Try local brands. It is well said by someone that bigger is not always better. There are many brands that have high costs. Honestly, I think that many people cannot buy from the brands and cannot afford an expensive home. For this issue, you have to see the big picture here. Suppose you have two options to buy a house. One is small but reasonable for living. The other is expensive and very large. Now, if you buy the large one, your tax will be high, bills will be expensive, and you will have to buy more furniture for the free space. So, tell me, what are you going to do in this situation? Yes, you will buy the small house because it is love that makes a home, not money. Number 5. Stop upgrading your things. A person can never save money if he finds ways to upgrade things. Remember one thing: you need products to fulfill your needs. Suppose you have a good mobile phone or a car. Now, you see that your friend purchased a new phone. You will start to think about upgrading yourself. It is possible that your friend is financially more stable and does not need any savings. But, you have to control yourself from doing that. If you want to save more for the future, you will have to make small sacrifices. Make sure you understand that it is for the best. Number 6. Create homemade gifts. Occasional gifts are a must when you have to get together at any event and party. There can be Christmas, Easter, baby showers, promotion parties, and many other events like that. But, Have you ever thought that you do not have to buy expensive gifts? Why? It is because you can create gifts yourself. YouTube is full of cooking videos in which you can see methods to make yummy cookies and perfect cakes for any occasion. Also, you can help yourself with my DIY hacks for decoration that will help you to craft unique things as gifts. The best thing is that when you make a gift yourself, it holds stronger emotions because you are putting in an effort. I will give the link to my decor hacks in the description so that you can find them without any problem. Number 7. Go to thrift place. There is nothing harmful in buying things from the thrift store. You should not notice that a clothing piece is of original brand or replica. You should have it to fulfill your basic needs. Thrift stores are now in every area because people want to save more and spend less. That is the reason they buy used products instead of buying brand new and spending much amount of money on them. Make it your habit to visit the thrift store and look out. You will see many good things at less price. You just have to look more to get a perfect product. Number 8. Borrow things for usage. Many people have this habit that they buy things and using them once or twice a year. You have to understand that you cannot buy everything you want, especially when they are out of range. Some things are cheap and affordable to purchase. But what about machinery and goods that you do not need again and buy at a high rate? If you want to save money, make sure you borrow things from your family and friends instead of going to the market and buying them. Suppose you need a camera for your trip. If you are busy with your job, there is a possibility that you will never use it again. So, instead of spending cash, borrow it for a few days from your friends. You will get a camera and do not have to spend any money on it. Number 9. Fix things yourself. Do you know that the house workers can take a lot of money to fix the things in your home? If your tap in a bathroom is not working, you will call a plumber. Guess what? He will take a much amount of money for clearing the rust from the tap. How about you do everything yourself? If you follow this trick and start fixing things by yourself, you will save a lot of money. Now, people will ask how they can learn all these things. Let me tell you that YouTube has millions of videos that can help you in doing different tasks. Google is the father of all problems. All you have to do is write a clear search about the issue you are facing. You can do everything if you have the intention to learn more. Number 10. Use LED bulbs. Modern technology is doing its best to give comfort to users. You should also try new things coming out because they are easy to use and not that much expensive. If you live a tension-free life, use LED bulbs. A huge part of the electricity bill consists of the usage of lights. There are many LED bulbs in the market which consume less electric power and give a bright light. So, if you are looking for something to save more money, start using LED lights today. You will see these bulbs in many shops, malls, and hotels. They all know that they can save a noticeable amount of money using these lights. So, what are you thinking? Go and buy LED bulbs right now. It is for your good and saving money. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section what tricks you follow to save money. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. I will come back with another video soon. Till then, save more money and enjoy.